Yo, what it do? It's me. It's your boy, Afro Black. And today, I'm finna show y'all how to make a Memphis hood sound. See, some of y'all uppity. I say you're uppity, but see where I come from, I'm lowity. So sometimes you had to do what you gotta do when wasn't no food in the refrigerator. So check it out. Let me show you what we did. Ooh, ain't no meat, mommy. Don't worry about it. You get your 2 pieces of bread. You get your 2 pieces of bread. You drop on table, it's okay. Your table might be clean with mine, okay? You too big. Get you some Slurpee. Get you some little syrup. Ding it. Yeah. 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 I don't know how much of this shit give you diabetes, but just much syrup as you want. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, you say, syrup, you know what I'm saying? Put that syrup on that shirt, zip off there. See that in you. Close that stuff, together. And then you bite that stuff. That's the first sandwich, right? That's the first one. Then you throw that one down. Sandwich number 2. Get your ass out of my way. Sandwich number 2. This is the real killer. This is the one the kid really love. You get your 2 pieces of bread. You take your sugar. Don't worry about sugar diabetes, because you're going to get old, you might catch something anyway. Take your sugar, gentlemen and lady. Yeah. 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 Get this sugar. This is the classic sugar salad. Put it together. You throw that joint away. Listen, don't worry about it. This is how you make a Memphis, Tennessee hood sound. Don't worry about being broke. Don't worry about my wall. I got all kinds of things on my wall. You see my macaroni video, but this is how you make a Memphis, Tennessee hood sound. This is your boy, Afro Black.